Hey guys, so today I'm going to, be unboxing a Magic Mixie. That's what these are called. And I know this is like not newly popular at all, but back when it was, my mom like really wanted to get one and like open it with her coworkers to see how it like actually worked. And my mom saw it on sale at Walmart for like $36, $35, which is a lot cheaper than like what it originally is. I know right now on Amazon it's like $48, but it's usually a lot of money. So yeah, and so she just really wanted to get it, and now that I kind of saw what it looked like, I wanted to open it myself. So let's hope none of her coworkers watch this, so they don't know that they opened it without her, or that she opened it with them. But yeah, so I haven't opened it yet, which has like all the stuff you actually need. Just because I wanted to show what it looked like out here. But yeah, you have to open this part first, which I don't know why there's like some condensation going on. Actually, I think there's tape. But yeah, I didn't show me unboxing the actual box itself because I mean there is a lot going on. So I might also not show this, but I'll show you when I have all my stuff out. So I opened up the top, and I'm also going to put this part of the box away. It was just to show what the actual packaging, or part of the packaging looked like. And I also have my little wand over here that you use. So I'm just going to place my items out here, and then the mist, there's going to be like a mist effect. So it has like important information thing there. Oh, it comes in like a whole little box. So there's a lot of steps. Oh. I think these are the instructions with other little items. And then I don't touch that. I don't know. Yeah, I've never seen how these work before. I haven't. I know my mom has. And then there's a cord here. And this like really thick instruction manual. I think it opens up like this, which I really hope not because it'll be big. Oh, it's actually not that bad. Yeah, it's just, I think, thick paper. Oh, but yeah, these are all of the instructions, and then on the side that I'm looking at right now, it has like different modes for your little Magic Mixie, I guess. I guess they actually, oh, that's what the batteries are for. So I read that it included batteries, but the batteries are actually for the Magic Mixie and they're not for the actual like cauldron when opening it. So yeah. I know I have this, my little thing there. The whole vial. It's a potion bottle. But yeah, I hope I don't have to charge it because I don't have to wait. And then there's a spell book. Oh, so this might actually be easier to look at than this entire instruction manual. And then I don't need this. I think it's just cardboard. And then here's all my little things I'm gonna add. Oh well. And it probably has them numbered by steps. And I have this little box. I could always use this on my own home. And I know they also sell like refills for this. I don't know how that would work. But it's because my mom went to the store looking for these like little mini ones that I saw. Because I was like, oh, we probably aren't going to buy the big, huge one. So I wanted to try the little ones. But got the big one. Oh yeah, and then this is it says bonus mist refill vial. I don't know what that is. Then you have this as well. This is a reset key. Okay, so I guess if you wanted to refill it, you just do it like that. Let me actually check what this thing does. Okay, so there's two ways to play. There's a create mode. Create your own Magic Mixie, and there's a spell mode. Oh, okay, so you could make, like, you could do the spells, but without actually unlocking your, magic Mixie. Mixie. I keep forgetting the name. Oh, but it says charge time is approximately 60 to 90 minutes. So I probably should have had this charged before, but yeah, now I have to charge it. Okay, so it's been about like an hour and 20 minutes. The light didn't turn off red, so I really hope it works well. I'm assuming it's just for the mist. But first step, I'm going to use my spell book. I did carefully read the instructions, but it's easier just to go through this than having the giant paper in front of me. So, I don't know if I showed what the inside looked like before. This is what the inside looks like. And the first step is to start my potion by adding water, which I filled pretty much almost this whole thing. So yeah, it says to put it right down the middle. Oh, it's already working. It's like, those are the bubble sounds. Oh, okay. And then, there's these little symbols. So you have to listen for the tap, tap, tap sound, and then you look for the green glowing light, and then you tap it with your wand. So I have to look for the light here. Oh, it's actually in the inside. Okay, and then the second step, I'm going to put that over here, is to give your Mixie its voice. So it has the packets labeled as well with number 2, so I know it's step number 2. Okay, so I'm going to put this in. It's like really hard on the inside, so it's already making the noise. I don't think it's supposed to be making it yet. Let me cut it all the way open. I don't know why it's like hard as a rock. There we go. There we go. It looks like this. And then I think I have to actually let it like dissolve in the water, so I mix it. I don't know why it's so hard. I want it to like dissolve though, at least a little bit. I think me tapping like the inside kind of made it activate. I don't really know. I guess that's good. It is like has like a little thing there. Actually, it's kind of bubbling. If you look on the inside, this stuff is like fizzing up. So I think I do need to have this completely dissolve, but I'll let it sit in the water, at least while I open the next thing. Let me cut this in half. So step number 3 is to add sparkle to your Mixie's eyes. So it's this little star potion. Let me keep mixing this. This. Well, I'm not at that step yet. Well, I guess I could tap it. Oh, these are hard to open. Alright, this one's actually powdery. It's like hard glass. Okay. I don't want to accidentally tap on it. There we go. I got all the powder in there. And now I mix this together. There we go. And then number 4. Oh, grant your Mixie its wings. The little feather. Oh, I got the powder everywhere. Let's see if I can actually open this one. Maybe. Oh, I'm trying to see. There we go. There's an easier way to open it. There's a feather. And then I'll put that in. And then I think that also dissolves in. So, I'm gonna mix this all together. Oh yeah, it's like dissolving. I'm waiting to hear the 3 little taps. Okay, and then step 5, I have to cut these 2 in half. This one is to color your Mixie. Also properly open this one. Okay, oh jeez. Okay, this one's powdery. It looks like a little egg. Okay, you can just pop that in there, yeah. Oh, it like immediately dissolved. It's like also kind of fizzing. I'm waiting for the signal to go for me to tap it. There we go. And then this step is to add the creation crystal. There we go. Is this a crystal here? Oh, it's like a waxy. Oops. There we go. Put that in there. And then the last step is to name my Mixie. Which I have that over here. Yeah. So I'm gonna give that one a second while I name my Mixie. Oh, I don't know what to name it. I'm supposed to actually like write the name on here in order to activate it. I was gonna name it after Willow. I'll name it after Willow. Even though Willow's not even down here. I think she's scared of it. So yeah, I have Willow here. Oh, let me tap this first. And I'm ready to put this in. There we go. And I think it's getting ready to activate. Oh no. Oh, there we go. It's because I think that one time that like it accidentally counted as me like tapping it. Okay, I think that's good. I don't think I'm supposed to touch it anymore. But yeah. It's like a real fog and everything. And it smells kind of weird. Oh, it's so strong. Oh, there we go. And now I can take that away. Oh my god. Oh, I went in my throat. I should probably do it away from me. There we go. Okay, here's... Oh, my magic Mixie. Let me take it out. I think I have to twist it. Let's see. I didn't actually see how to do this. Let me actually read. I don't want to break it. Okay. The magic reveal. A large volume mist. Rotating it anti-clockwise. Okay. So I think I'm always turning it right. I just need to hold it. And then I should be able to get it out. Oh no. Oh, there's like I see. There's like these little rubber bands Oh no. My Mixie's stuck. I don't know how to get this out. I think I might just have to cut the rubber bands from this thing. Okay, I got one. It's still stuck in there. I don't want to break it. I'm also like twisting the thing, which I don't want to do. There's still fog coming out too. There we go. There we go. I can move this over. But oh my gosh, it smells. And now I can take this little thing off, telling you to twist it. And I guess it actually talks. Oh, I can move like the arms and everything. And then, and the tail. Oh gosh, it's getting like real feathers. So yeah, I'm gonna look at the instructions because I don't know what you can actually do with this thing. And then it has those little buttons on the back. Oh. And then I guess that turns off the voice. Oh, it's glowing. I didn't even see that. Oh, and then let me fix her legs. Yeah, that's so cute. Oh no. And if I wanted to, I can even do like another reveal. Like there's like different spells you can do and stuff. So you can like reuse this. There we go. She's standing up. So I guess it has batteries for your Mixie, but it sounds like she's already on. But if you do, it says 3 different magical responses to the wand. Where's my wand? My wand's right here. 1 tap, spell mode. 1 is wish mode. And the other one is Mixie enchantment mode will show rainbow. Let's see. I think that's it if I hold it. Oh, I don't think it worked. It says hold wand to gem for a few seconds. What if I just tap it? Tap it once. I don't know how it works. But yeah, that was my little Mixie magic, or magic Mixies I made. A little will because I didn't know what to name it. But yeah, I thought it was really cute, and I like the little cauldron. That was really cool. So I made my little Mixie. So if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.